He's kicking me. He's kicking me. David, all you get to do is relax.
He allowed to be in here. He didn't cry. He nag-cooperate today. Good boy. He's a good boy. Smart. He knows that everyone's busy. Ang ganda view. Lakas maka-Japanese. Mag-e-edit nga ako ng picture dito. Kasi it's a store. And there's a Japanese word here. And it's the train. And the people are just busy. They just let me take a video. Bye! He is really, really good. Hi! She's going to miss Tokyo. That's why she's not super smiling. She's sad. Don't worry. Kapag ako nabuhay ulit sa mundong ito, joke lang. Yan, Tokyo. David is a good boy. Oh, he's cooperating so much. He allowed to be there, not crying. Excited na tuloy ako, be. Kasi pag nasa bahay ka, makakapag-relax ka na, di ba? Wow! Last day before we leave, be. Okay? Ang swerte nila na hindi sila maluluto. Sobrang laki nito, be. Isang pinggan na to, be. So big. This one, oh yan. Isang malaking pinggan. Ang cute naman niya. Ang pinakamalaki yun, oh. Parang half of the bed. The one at the bottom. Fish, fish, fish. Yay! David is looking. Oh, this one is beautiful. Wow, David is enjoying.